कभी तो मिलेगी, आज नहीं तो कल।
Hello everyone, today I want to show you these two beautiful earrings in 22 karat hallmark gold with natural certified diamond polkis. The price of these earrings is just 30,000 rupees only. And look at the combination. This is in green and blue combination and this is in red and green combination. Have a look at these beautiful earrings. So these earrings are available with lab certificate and hallmarking. Also, free shipping and cash on delivery is available with these earrings. If you want to buy, you can directly DM us or shop from our website. Link is given in bio. Thank you. अगर आपको पोल की ज्वेलरी पसंद है तो ये डिजाइन आपको बहुत कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स दिलाएगी। राजेम्स की मल्टी कलर पोल की इयररिंग 9 कैरेट गोल्ड में 22 हॉलमार्किंग के साथ नेचुरल डायमंड पोल के नेचुरल डायमंड्स के साथ बनाई गई है। अगर आप भी अपनी ज्वेलरी कलेक्शन में ऐसा यूनिक पीस ऐड करना चाहते हैं तो हमें डीएम करें या हमारी वेबसाइट पर विजिट करें या फिर आप हमारे जयपुर वाले स्टोर को भी विजिट करके ले सकते हैं। राज जेम्स की हर ज्वेलरी में है खास एहसास। थैंक यू। दिस रिंग which is made in 22 karat hallmark gold is just for 20,000 rupees only. Yes, look at the beautiful Lakshmi ji temple ring and it has enameling added back side and this ring has adjustable band so you can wear it in any finger and also you can gift this to someone. Just have a look. This is a beautiful 22 karat hallmark gold ring and just for 20,000 rupees only. And we have one more in our collection. This is again another ring and the price of this ring is 20,000 rupees only. This is also 22 karat hallmark gold with natural certified diamond polkis. Just have a look at this ring. Both rings are adjustable. You can wear it in any finger. The price of this ring is 20,000 rupees only and this is for 21,000 rupees. These both rings are hallmarked and you will get certificate with them. If you want to buy directly, GM us or you can directly buy from our website also. Thank you. Are you looking for designer gold jewelry under 1 lakh? Then just have a look. What a fresh combination of colors. This is 22 karat hallmark gold with natural certified diamond polkis and this long necklace is very beautiful with pink and green combination colors. This is a very unique combination of colors and it goes with all outfits and it looks very beautiful. Just have a look at the quality and making the diamond polkis. Look at the shine and this is a very beautiful piece in just under 1 lakh and we have one more color variation in the same piece. Just have a look. The same necklace we have made with green and pearl combination and these are the earrings with this necklace. So these are very beautiful necklaces and these are fresh in our collection under 1 lakh. And if you want to buy this, you can directly DM us or shop from our website. Link is given in bio, www.rajyamshop.com. We provide lab certificate which state that these are natural diamond polkis with hallmark gold jewelry. We also provide premium box packaging, free shipping and cash on delivery across India and worldwide shipping is also available. So DM us. For more content like this, follow Raj Gems. Thank you.